Welcome to the Evolving Canvas Part 4, the hybrid dimension, where art finds its future. We have journeyed from the physical foundation, through the digital revolution, and into the algorithmic mind. Each seemed like a separate world, a conflicting future. But what if the true evolution isn't about choosing a side, but about building a bridge? What if the real future of art lies not in one dimension, but in the space where they all collide? This is the story of the hybrid dimension. Meet Jessie Berloy. Her studio is a sanctuary where the old world meets the new. Look at her hands. They work with plaster, with canvas, with pigment, materials as ancient as art itself. She's not just painting, she's sculpting, building, transforming a flat surface into a landscape of texture and depth. Her art is born from transformation, a physical manifestation of a complex personal history, a testament to resilience. And yet, as she works, a different kind of creation fills the air. She listens to AI-composed music, embracing technology not as a competitor, but as a muse. This isn't a rejection of the new, but a conscious, deliberate integration of whatever serves the art. In her hands, the materials are stubbornly, beautifully analog. In her ears, the inspiration is purely digital. This is where the magic begins. She creates in the liminal space between disciplines, blending the ancient craft of painting with the physicality of sculpture. Jessie's primary innovation is a fundamental rebellion against the flat plane. She asks, why must a painting be confined to two dimensions? Using plaster, she builds, carves, and sculpts, turning the canvas into a dynamic surface. It becomes a painting you don't just see. You experience it through its shadows, its contours, its tangible presence. It's a sculpture that still speaks the language of color and brushstroke. This technique is part of a broader artistic movement known as mixed media relief sculpture. Artists have long explored the boundaries between painting and sculpture, but Jessie brings a uniquely personal and contemporary approach. She is breaking the canvas, but in doing so, she is rebuilding our very definition of what a painting can be. Each piece is a conversation between form and color, between the artist's hand and the viewer's eye. Now, here's the modern paradox. The creation of her art is intensely physical, almost meditative and private, but its promotion is utterly digital and public. Like many contemporary artists, she uses social media not just as a gallery, but as a diary, connecting her audience directly to her process, her thoughts, and her studio life. In fact, a recent survey showed that over 75% of artists now use Instagram as their primary channel for promotion. But Jessie takes it a step further. See this small square next to her finished artwork? That's a QR code. It's a literal hyperlink, a digital passport that transports the artwork from the physical gallery wall into the global conversation online. It's the bridge between the tangible object and its digital life, providing details on its creation, its story, and its provenance. It's a simple but powerful tool that connects two worlds. So what does this all mean? When you see Jessie's work in a gallery, you are witnessing the synthesis of our entire journey. Her art possesses that unique, physical aura we explored in our first episode, the irreplaceable presence of a handmade object. Jessie isn't fighting the evolution of art, she's curating it. She is thoughtfully selecting which elements of the past and future best serve her vision. By doing this, she places the human experience and the handmade object firmly at the center of the conversation, proving they are not obsolete, but more relevant than ever. So, what is the evolving canvas? After everything we've seen, it's clear it's not a single destination. It's not the triumph of digital over analog or AI over human creativity. The evolving canvas is the expanding mind of the artist. It is the freedom to draw from every tool, every tradition, and every technology available. The future of art is a boundless landscape, and it's being built by hybrids, by those who, like Jessie, understand that the most powerful, most resonant statements are often made in the spaces in between. The future is not a choice between worlds, it's the courage to inhabit them all. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you've enjoyed exploring the future of art with us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories from the cutting edge of creativity. We'll see you next time.